My name is Tom, and I want to tell you a story about my best friend, Sam. Sam was a boy who liked to spend money. He always bought things, new toys, games, and snacks. But one day, he learned something very important. Saving money can change your life. At that time, Sam was 12 years old. He lived in a small town with his parents and little sister. His father worked hard, and his mother baked cookies to sell in the market. Sam liked his family very much, but he always wanted more. More toys, more candy, more fun.
Every Saturday, Sam got some pocket money, 5 coins, from his father. He immediately ran to the small store near his house. He bought sweets, a comic book, and sometimes a toy car. By Sunday evening, his money was gone. I used to tell him, "Sam, maybe save your coins for something bigger." He laughed and said, "Why wait? I want to enjoy now." That made me smile, but also made me think, Sam never saved anything. And soon he would understand why that was a problem.
One afternoon, Sam came to play football with me, but he looked sad. His bike was broken, the chain had come off, and one tire was flat. He said, "Tom, I can't go to school with my bike. I need money to fix it." I asked, "Didn't you save any coins?" He shook his head, embarrassed. So he walked to school every day. It was far and took a lot of time. He felt tired and cold in the mornings. He wished he had saved his coins to repair his bike. Lesson grows. Saving money means helping yourself when you really need it.
That night, Sam's father sat next to him. He said gently, "My son, money is like a seed. If you spend it all, you eat the fruit today. But if you save it, you can grow a big tree for the future." Sam listened carefully. It was the first time he thought deeply about money. He promised his father, "I will try to save from now on." His father smiled and gave him a small box, a wooden box with a hole on the top. It was Sam's new money box. From the next week, Sam changed. Every time his father gave him coins, he put 3 coins inside his money box and spent only 2. He felt proud. He liked hearing the coins fall inside and make a clink sound. After 1 month, he opened the box. There were many coins inside. He smiled brightly. It looked small, but it was a big start. Sometimes he really wanted to buy candy, but he told himself, "No, I am Sam the Saver now."
One day, a new toy appeared in the store. A shining red car that could move when pushed. It looked amazing. All the kids wanted it. Sam felt the same. He walked near the store every day, looking at the toy. He even touched his money box and thought of opening it. But then he remembered his broken bike and his father's words. He whispered to himself, "If I spend now, what if something bad happens again?" And for the first time, he walked away. Moral builds. Strength is not in buying, but in waiting.
Weeks passed. Sam saved more and more. Then one night, his mother looked sad. Her oven broke, and she couldn't bake cookies to sell at the market. Sam thought for a moment, then went to his room. He took out his money box and said, "Mom, please use my coins to fix the oven." His mother hugged him tightly. She said, "I'm so proud of you, my little saver." Sam felt warm inside. He wasn't rich, but he was strong. The next month, after fixing the oven, Sam's mother made delicious cookies again. They sold well in the market. She bought Sam a small gift, a new helmet for his bike. Sam was very happy. He realized that money used wisely brings good results. He didn't lose money, he gained love and happiness. Deeper moral, saving money helps not only ourselves but others around us too. Later, Sam told his friends about saving. He said, if you put small coins every week, one day you can buy something big or help someone. His friends laughed at first, but after hearing his story, they started saving too. The little wooden box became famous in our school. Everyone called him Sam the Saver. He became proud, not of money, but of discipline.
Time passed. Sam grew up and became a young man. He kept the same habit, saving before spending. When he went to college, he used his savings to buy books and help his family. Later, he opened a small shop and helped children learn how to save money wisely. I still visit him sometimes. He smiles and says, "Remember my broken bike, Tom? That was my first lesson," and we both laugh.
So, dear reader, what did Sam teach us? Money is not just for buying things. It is a tool to build a future. When we save, we protect ourselves and help others too. Saving a little every week can change your life. That's why Sam is still called Sam the Saver. He learned that happiness does not come from spending, it comes from wisdom. Final moral: saving money helps us live a better and happier life.